Hey there, do you have a hard time falling asleep at night? You're still wired and you're wide awake 2 in the morning. Do you have a hard time slowing down and you feel like your mind is running a million miles an hour? If so, in this episode with Meditation with Allan, I'm going to share with you a secret on how to unwind your day, to slow down your thoughts so that you can sleep better at night. Hi, I'm Allan Ting, TEDx speaker and #1 best-selling author, and I've been practicing Zen meditation for the last 17 years. So how do we unwind, slow down our thoughts, and get a good night's sleep? You ready? So I'd like to invite you now to go ahead and lie down and relax and find a nice comfortable position as we start the deep sleep guide meditation. Let's start by putting your left hand on your stomach and your right hand on top of your heart. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose and nice deep breath out. A fuller deep breath in through your nose. A fuller deep breath out of your nose. And the deepest breath you've taken all day. And exhale. From here, I'd like you to breathe in 4 counts, hold for 8, and then exhale for 7. And I'll do the counting for you. When you're ready, take a nice deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold. And exhale. Inhale for a nice deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale, deep breath in. Hold. Exhale. Deep breath in. Hold. Exhale completely. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold. And exhale out. From here, come back to normal breathing, the deep diaphragmatic breath, and like to invite you to bring your awareness to your feet, starting with your toes. Gently wiggle your toes, and notice if you're holding any tension in your toes or your feet. Take a nice deep breath in. Our next exhale, let it go. Let go all the stress and tensions in your feet and your toes. Now let's bring our awareness up to our calves. Nice deep breath in. And when you're ready, let it go. Exhale. Let's bring our awareness to our thighs, our hamstring area, our knees. Notice if you're holding any tension here. Take a nice deep breath in. On exhale, let it go. Let's bring awareness to our hips and notice if you're holding any tension here. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale and release. Let's bring our awareness to our lower back, to our stomach, to our obliques. Notice if you're holding any tension here. Nice deep breath in. Exhale and loosen. Let's bring awareness to our chest, our diaphragm, and notice if you're holding any pressure or tension here. Nice deep breath in. Exhale. Could you let it go? Okay, let's bring awareness to our shoulders, to our triceps, our biceps, our forearms, our fingertips. Notice if you're holding any tension here. Nice deep breath in. Big exhale. Let everything go, will you? Let's bring awareness to our head, to our jaw, to our tongue. Feel free to move your jaw from side to side. Relax your tongue. Nice deep breath in. Our next exhale, can you just let it go? Let's bring awareness to our eyes. So circle our eyes clockwise a few times. And then when you're ready, reverse the direction. And then come back into neutral position. Allow your eyes to roll back into your eye socket. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale completely. And then scan your body from your head to toes. Notice if you're holding tension anywhere else. It might be your neck, your shoulder, your hips, your right foot, whatever that is for you. Take a nice deep breath in, a full breath. Hold your breath. Sip in a little bit more air. Hold. Exhale and release out of your mouth and make the sound ha. Exhale completely. Nice deep breath in. Again, maybe it's the same spot or maybe another point of your body you're still holding on to a lot of tension. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold your breath. Sip in a little bit more breath. Hold it. And exhale, let it go. Allow your eyes to fall back into your eye socket even more. Allow your shoulders to soften even more. Good. Last round. Nice deep breath in. Hold. Sip in a little bit more air. Hold. Exhale. Let it go. Let it go completely. And let's come back to normal diaphragmatic breathing. At this point, if you like, feel free to put your arms by your side. And if you will, allow your body to completely relax. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Continue to breathe this deep diaphragmatic breath. And allow your body and your mind to just rest. And I'm going to count backwards from 10 to 1. As I count backwards, allow yourself to relax even more. Starting with 10, 9, 8, more relaxed, 7, 6, 5, 4, even more relaxed, 3, 2, and 1. You are blessed. You are very blessed. If you will, imagine there is a door in front of you. And when you open that door, you walk through the door, you notice that it's a beautiful beach right in front of you. And it's a safe and serene place. Nothing can hurt you at this time. And it's a sacred place. As you walk through the door, you notice the warm sand on your feet. And you feel the gentle breeze flowing across your hair. You can smell that salty air in that ocean, and you can see that warm breeze just shining on your skin. Now, as you walk a little bit further, you can hear the waves, the gentle waves, crashing onto the shore in a very soothing rhythm. And again, you're in a serene, protected space. Nothing can hurt you here. And if it feels good for you, allow yourself to sit down and lie on the warm sand and notice that all the sand and the sunlight and the gentle breeze and the gentle sound of the crashing waves are all here to relax you even more. And the smoothing sound and the soothing sound of the wave coming in, just imagine slowly and surely taking all your troubles, all the things that's on your mind, just allow that just pull out into the ocean, alleviating all the stress, all the negativity, your fears maybe, or whatever negative energy that you don't like to hold on to. Allow it just to take it out into the ocean and get that negative energy grounded into the water, into the sand, and back down into the earth. Allow the sunlight, the golden light, to permeate from the top of your head into your eyes, into your jaw, into your neck. The warm golden sunlight flow through your chest, your abdomen, your hips, your arms, your fingertips, your thighs, your legs, your feet, And knowing that this warm light, this healing light, is to help heal every cell within your body. And any wound you might have experienced in the past. And allow this healing light to bring you more love, more appreciation, more gratitude, more compassion into your body, your mind, and your soul. Continue to fall deeper into sleep and let go anything else that might be troubling you. Will you just let it go? Can you set it free? Could you let it go? Yeah, that's right. Let it go. And this completes our guided meditation for deep relaxation and sleep. You are blessed. You are blessed. You are blessed. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace.